My view is that advancing medical biotech and human longevity biotech requires detecting, scanning, recording, and publishing the location and type of every single cell in the human body. A technology to do so doesn't exist yet, and I aim to create and commercialize such a technology. I have no educational background in biology and biotech, so I need to first learn the existing available measurement technologies and techniques in biology and biotech and develop the necessary technology for detecting, scanning, and recording every single cell in the human body, or 37 trillion of them, in a fully automated fashion. A quick advertisement before I continue on this topic: you can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. I have a multi-decade commitment to advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. To learn more about my cause, check out my books, which are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, and other online audiobook retailers. Now back to the main content. Also, I have a self-imposed cost limitation. I want to be able to detect, scan, record, and publish the location and type of every single cell in the entire human body with under $250,000 initially, and then eventually reduce the cost down to under $10,000. The initial approach I'll attempt, when the money and circumstances permit, is staining donated dead human body organs, tissues, and cells, and using second-near infrared light to scan the stained human cells in dead human organs and tissues in 3D. If a successful result gets created, I'll patent and commercialize the technology, of course. I'll first do a 3D bioscanner experiment on non-human biological organs and tissues, such as grocery store meat and laboratory rat organs and tissues. In the US, you don't need a regulatory permission for performing biotech experiments on rats, but registering each bioscience or biotech experiment with NIH or National Institute of Health is recommended to let others know what you are up to and to be a part of the biomedical science and technology research community. In later videos, I'll talk about biophotonics and cover how light interacts with biological matter at molecular and atomic levels. I'll especially cover light reflection in biomatter, which is an extremely important topic in developing 3D biomatter scanner. I'll look into the quantum physics that relates to light behavior, especially reflection with biomolecules and bioatoms. There's a program called the Human Biomolecular Atlas Program, abbreviated as HUB MAP or HUBMAP, funded by National Institute of Health, which aims to create a cellular map of the entire human body to catalog and image each of the 200 or more types of cells from the 80 known organs and identify the genes that are active in these cells. It sounds like this is a project similar to what I'm up to. I keep on doing my own thing in biotech development and commercialization according to my own plan. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. My books on advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, Google Play Store, and other online audiobook retailers. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American man who focuses on advancing AI, robotics, human longevity, biotech, and nuclear fusion-powered outer space tech. Message me or call me anytime on the social media if you'd like to discuss investing in my high-tech startup.